Hello, friends, and welcome to another exciting edition of Island Girl Foods TV. Today, it's all for seafood lovers. Now, coming from an island, I am an avid seafood lover, and today I'm sharing a recipe from my upcoming cookbook. It's my best seafood lasagna. Now, all of my personal friends who's watching, I know that they are salivating right now because that is one of the most requested recipes when friends come over. And so I won't have you wait on the cookbook. I'm willing to share it with you on this segment. So if you're ready, hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell so you're updated weekly as I upload videos. So let's go, folks. Get ready. So with our ingredients in its place, we have 1 cup of butter, about 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, 3 shallots finely diced, 4 cloves of garlic diced, 1 red bell pepper diced, 1/2 cup of white wine, make sure it's drinking white wine, 2 liters of whole milk, 1 teaspoon of nutmeg, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, and we have 1/2 teaspoon of hot pepper sauce. Salt to taste. For our seafood, I'm using a combination of mussels, conch, and scallops, but you can use any combination you would like, and of course 2 tablespoons of seafood seasoning. I have 1 cup of wild mushrooms that I have hydrated, and 1 cup of mixed vegetables, and about 1 tablespoon of parsley diced for garnish, and 300 grams of shredded mozzarella, as well as 300 grams of shredded Gruyere. I have pre-boiled about 9 to 10 lasagna sheets and set them aside on a baking sheet lined with wax paper. Place an 8-quart pot over medium-high heat and melt your butter. We're about to make a white roux, so we're going to add our flour and stir continuously, being careful not to allow the flour to brown. Add your shallots, add our garlic and red bell peppers. Continue to stir as we don't want the roux to brown. Now we'll add in our milk about 3 cups at a time while stirring vigorously. Continue to add the milk until the roux is mixed to a smooth consistency. Then we'll add in our nutmeg, hot pepper sauce, optional, and we'll add in about 1 cup of that Gruyere cheese. Salt to taste, black pepper, and now we'll let this cook for an additional 5 minutes for an exceptional bechamel sauce. And now it's time to layer our lasagna by adding our bechamel sauce to the bottom of a 13 by 9 inch baking dish. Add 3 pasta sheets, more bechamel sauce to cover, and then we'll add both cheeses on top, our delicious seafood, a layer of vegetables, our mushrooms, place 3 more sheets, and repeat again. We'll finish by placing the remaining 3 sheets, and we'll cover with the sauce, level out, add the cheeses, and garnish with parsley. Place on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper and bake in the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius for approximately 45 to 50 minutes. And for that caramelized crust, broil on high for 1 to 2 minutes. Welcome back, everyone. So, can we talk? I gotta keep it real. Ordinarily, I usually come back after the show, do a nice plating and presentation to end the show. But for the first time on Island Girl Foods TV history, my lasagna was attacked by my sons. And you know what? It was oozing of cheese and the aroma floated throughout the house, and I did not have my security detail to have my back, who happens to be my husband and cameraman, because he joined in the attack of this lasagna. So when you can't beat them, guys, you join them. So I'm gonna have to wait a bit until the rest of my beautiful lasagna settle and take those gorgeous thumbnail photo and really give you a great presentation. But look at this lasagna. No one could resist it. So I'm not holding it against them. So guys, I just want to reiterate that you can use any combination of seafood, your favorite seafood. Don't forget to leave your comments, like and subscribe, and tune in each week as I bake in isolation with my girlfriends. Cheers.